Hey, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. This video will be about the commodity channel index, yes. And this is a momentum oscillator like the RSI, yes. And I'm gonna show you how the oscillator is used, because when I'm gonna discuss with you the strategies, you need to know how to use them. And so I can reference always to these videos where I can tell you, look this video about the RSI, look the video about the ADX, look the video about the CCI, and it's also important to know them. Yes? It's not only price action. Price action is the mass, is the top, but knowing also the indicators is also good. Yes, so you can use them and understand how market behaves. So. But get my price action ebook, yes, my price action guide for binary option turbo trading. You find it in the description. Get it because there are valuable informations into it that could help you increase your win rate. So let me see what is going on here. The CCI, what is going the CCI? This indicator belongs to the class of oscillators that measure the speed of the price movement. CCI is designed for determining the upcoming market reversal. CCI can be used to assess the strength of the current trend or to detect extrema, minimum and maximum prices. In general, CCI is very similar to the ADX and can be also used as a tool to determine the market trend, as the CCI change rate depends on the strength of the current market trend. So look my video about the ADX, yes, because it's telling you that it's similar to ADX, but I would say it's not only similar to the ADX, it's also similar to the RSI, yes, because it's also a momentum oscillator. Okay, now the candlesticks are really going really tiny, and this is consolidation area, so you can forget to use the CCI, but I'm gonna put it on. So I will do the CCI here with a period of 4, yes, of 4, and the overbought area of 100. This will be the signal line. This will be the overbought line. This will be the oversold line. And if you use higher expiry times, you can use also the standard deviation, like 3 minutes or 5 minutes. You can use the standard period of 14. Yes, but I do 1 minute trades, so I will explain you it's on the 4 period. So here you see it. Here above we have the overbought area. This is to get a put here. I'm going to do a put because this candlestick is telling me that we are going down, and the CCI is telling me also that we are here in a downtrend because we are here below the zero line. And if we are below the zero line, it means that we are in a downtrend. And it's already, I don't know what is happening here, but it's already in the money, and it shows me still that it's not in the money. Maybe there is some kind of problem on IQ option. Okay, this was in the money, but you have seen how I have used it. I used it in this way that I get the price action, for this reason get my ebook, yes, and then I get the confirmation, or I get this signal from the CCI, which does confirm my price action, and then I'm gonna enter the trade. I do not enter the trade only because CCI is showing me some kind of reversal here, yes. You can do this also if you have higher expiry times, but on 1 minute expiry time you cannot believe it, and don't rely only on this because it's not the fact. So if price, and I told you, if price is this line, signal line, is above the zero line, we are in an uptrend like now, and if it's below the zero line, it's a downtrend. If it's near the 100 level, yes, maybe, or 200 level, you can adjust it also, yes. It's near a market reversal, yes. It can be that the market reversal will be happen, yes. But you don't have not to forget and always in mind that the CCI is a lagging indicator, and that means that price it's get calculated by price, and this is not reliable, yes, because on 1 minute expiry time, price can change so fast in direction that, and then you see also how the CCI is changing direction, and this is not reliable. You have to rely on candlestick analysis, and then you can apply the indicator, but don't think that every time the price is gonna hit the overbought area, yes, or oversold area, price will reverse. Yes, you see here it's touched this already, and it's going still up because we are now coming close to the 50 EMA, and this is like a magnet, yes, like I told you in the other videos, and we are still in an uptrend because we are above the middle line here, above the zero line. So let me see if I can do another call here. Okay, I'm going to do a call now because we are here above the zero level, yes, and this was a spinning top, and I saw a rejection here from this level, and this was the reason why I did a call, because I'm still believing that the price will hit somewhere here about the 50 EMA, yes, and this is how you have to combine price action with indicators, yes, not only not only the indicator, and don't believe only indicator because they are lagging, and they are not intended to give you good results on short-term trading. Yes, if you trade short, you see here we are still in the upper area of the above the 50, above the zero line. That means we are still in uptrend. And this is a risky trade here to do a put because it can still go up further because we are still here above. This is not a really good reversal sign like this one here, for example. It's only the half thing. And okay, now it's going out good, but it would be some kind of risky, else I would enter in this, okay, because I have experienced also other things. So I think I have explained the CCI almost enough. It's the same thing like RSI. Get a look at the RSI if you want further information. The important thing is that you have to understand that you don't rely on indicator only, that you can use them as useful information to get about the market, but don't expect things only because of the indicator, yes, because they are only telling you the same what market is telling you, and nothing else. So I think that was this. If you like the video, do you like? If you didn't subscribe, subscribe, and if you have anything to say, let me there comment. So I would say stay safe and get my ebook from the description, the price action guide for binary option turbo trading. Okay, so I would say bye bye.